In this video, I'm going to show you guys some filters that you can apply to Dexscreener, and it's going to give you coins, like established coins that if you buy into those particular coins, you can easily make close to 2x, 5x, or even 10x if those coins do very well. Okay, so this is a strategy that I've been using for a while now. I just feel like let me show it to you guys so that you guys can still use it to make money. Get so before we continue, please do it to like, subscribe, and on the bell icon. So here's the screen now. You just have to click on filters, right? So you all know the first thing is to click on our platform and click on Solana. Then click on save, then click on this, click on Radium, then you can click on save. After that, the liquidity, you're going to put minimum of what 1K does liquidity. Get then market cap. So we're looking for coins that is already established. You get you're going to put 2 million market cap. Therefore, the pair age, you're going to put this in 120. So this particular filter right there you're seeing on your screen is going to eliminate rocks. You get this is going to give you meme coins that are already established, that already have community. You get so I'm going to click on apply and just wait for this scanner to do its job. So as you can see, it actually picked up some coins for us. And most of the coins are down, right? So what we're simply doing is simply checking out these coins and check to see if we can find entry in it. So let's open up these few ones. The first one, a new tab, and open up this, it's a new tab. So you guys are going to say, I'm going to look for entry into this particular coin, and there are some strategies that I'm going to reveal to you guys. Yet, I believe you already know that these coins are coins that are already established. You get so most value we're looking for ways to actually get into this particular meme coin. The strategy is very simple. You get so in the first I like doing is really checking the highest point this particular coin is going to refer. As you can see, 35 million market cap, and this is kind of pullback to 25 million market cap. You get so if this coin is going to go back up, like I still believe this is just kind of pullback, yeah, pullback to the downside. So you can easily um come to this FS and put in some indicators. We're going to use indicator called volume. I'm going to put in volume indicator, and as you can see that in this volume, you can see when it was at the top, the family market cap, you can see the volume bar actually kind of increase, and you can see as the coin is market cap is decreasing, and see the volume is decreasing too. So this coin is actually going down. You get so don't want to buy at the top. You get probably it might come down to the I'm suspecting is it will probably come down to this particular level. So this level is about 20 million market cap to this particular level here, about 20 million market cap you get. So what we simply doing is simply wait for it to come to this particular level. Also, it also has probability of not coming down to this particular level, you get, but we are not sure. You get what we simply doing is simply watch these particular coins and this form of energy, you get. If it is able to break above this particular level, right? Like you are seeing something like I look something be it's break above something like this, you know that okay, this coin wants to pump. All we need to do is simply enter this particular coin. You get also, but if the coin keeps coming down, you get we just simply wait for it to come down and enter this particular level. Understand? So what you should do is that for those people who are interested in entering this particular in buying this coin, or like right now, you get only they simply wait for this volume bar. Get this in volume indicator is very important. Only do this wait for the volume indicator. If this particular volume bar get but there's a breakout from it, like starts going up, you know that okay, this coin wants to pump, then you can probably enter. But for those people who like trading buy coin and wait, you can probably enter this particular place. You get and if it's you can do this here actually. You buy this particular place. If it comes a little bit, you can still buy it, comes a little bit, you can still buy. But I think this should be where it's going to go to because this was the last resistance, last support right at this particular place. So probably wait. for it. Yeah, for this other one too, I think this one is also at the top right now. Let's put in 4 hours time frame to see what the highest this particular coin has gone to before. So this is actually the very top of this particular coin, Tsunami Market Cap. We don't know, we can't buy at the top, never. We can never buy at the top. What we do is simply what? Wait for pullback yet. Let me put this in daily time frame. So the coin has gone to 60 market cap before. 60 market cap is before about 200 market cap at its early phase. And right now, what I always seeing, I think that the market coin is at 9 market cap. So remember what I said at the intro that this coin is going to really put money for you. You can see the volume bar at this particular place going up. So what you should do is very simple. Wait for a pullback. If it pulled back to this particular place, if it can pull back to this particular place again, let's say 16 market cap, you get around this range, around this consolidation part, 20 market cap, you can fully enter, and once it starts going up, you ride with it. You get surely it's going to come back. You get it won't go straight to up easily. The potential of it going back up to 600 market cap is very difficult, but surely this coin is still going to pull back. And once it does so, do this simply enter. So to make the most out of it, you need to put it in lower time frame. Get still wait for it to pull back to this particular range, this last support, and you can buy. And if it pumps up again, you should take profit. Get. And the last one, this is actually coming down, right? So this might be the bottom, but we don't know. So other things you need to do before you get eBay to this particular coin is way to check that Twitter page. Very important. You get if the Twitter page they are active, they are consistently posting. You get it means that okay, they still believe in this particular coin and it's going to still going to do very well. Understand? But if nobody like if his Twitter page is dormant and you should probably ignore it. That thing you should know is that if you're interested in 3D immediately, this is what you should do. On this page, click on the 5 minutes or the 1 hour you get. It's going to give you coins that are currently trendy. You get recent coins that are currently trendy, that are currently gaining traffic and attention. So you see, when I click in 5 minutes, you got up coins that are currently trendy. You get what you need to do is simply open up this screen. If you're creating 3D immediately and look for entry. And these other ones are actually lower market cap. You get lower market cap. So you can open it up and try to find into this particular coin. So when going through it's not that difficult. It all depends on if you understand the trading strategy. The trading strategy. Sorry, the trading strategy is very easy. What you need is that don't buy at the top first thing first. Always check that Twitter page to ensure that Twitter page is active, very important, and always ensure you buy when there is kind of a pull. You can see right at this coin, it was coming down, trending down before, and you can see at this particular level, it started kind of breaking up. It has break above this level. You can see this is what's called higher low that is created at this particular place. You can see this. And see, so if you'll be looking to this screen, you can simply buy this coin at this particular place and take profit. If you can go to 10 market cap, you simply take profit. This is not 2x do, but at least 1.5x at this particular level. You get very simple. So guys, this is basically I can really use this method to look for good coins. So you should keep on doing your research. You get keep on doing your research and you become better at these things. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do it to like, subscribe, turn on the icon. We can keep my Telegram WhatsApp community. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.